Hey, this is Mr. Ward, and this is the key to the PreAlgebra Do Now 30.1, week 30, day 1. And here we go. If you have a right triangle, which side would we call C in the a squared plus b squared equals c squared structure? Definitely not any side will do. One of the sides next to the right angle, those are going to be the A and the B. So it's the side opposite the right angle. So in this triangle, this side is opposite the right angle. This side, it would be C, and either one of these could be A or B. Doesn't matter. Just keep it consistent once you've set it up. So what's the perimeter of this triangle? In order to figure that out, we need to figure out this missing side. Well, it's a right triangle. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, and the C, so we don't know C. That's the thing we're trying to find out. So A is 3 or 4, doesn't matter which, just one or the other. So 3 squared plus 4 squared. Okay, and that's going to be 9 plus 16. And that's going to be 25. So 25 equals C squared. Okay, and then if we get the square root of C squared and the square root of 25, we'll end up with 5 equals C. Okay, it's also negative 5, but we're not going to use a negative for this situation. So our perimeter is going to be simply 3 plus 4 plus 5, which will equal 12 units, of course. We don't know what the units are, but there you go. Now, Maria walked 3 kilometers west and 4 kilometers south. So she went 3 kilometers west and 4 kilometers south. Okay. Well, this is a right angle. She went west and then south. That's a right angle, which means that the distance she is from her starting point here is the hypotenuse of that triangle. It's the C side. So we just did 3, 4 for a triangle. So this one is going to be 5 kilometers. So that's her answer. Okay. 5 kilometers, because this makes a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Now, 3, 4, 5 triangle is a kind of special right triangle, and you can scale it up. You could have a 6, 8, 10, or a 9, 12, 15 triangle, or even a 1.5 to 2.5 triangle. They would have the same relationship of A squared plus B squared equals C squared of 3, 4, 5 ratio. I hope that was helpful.